Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have a long-awaited Yesstyle haul. So about like a year and 2 years ago, I did a lot of Yesstyle hauls and those were everyone's favorites. And yes, I miss shopping from Yesstyle. I haven't done that in a while because I just feel like their stuff got kind of repetitive at one point, and then I just kind of stopped shopping and I haven't looked their website in so long. And then I recently took a look at it and found some cute stuff, so I ordered it. Also, this video is very special because I'm doing a giveaway. I'll be sharing what I'm giving away, so stay till the end. And I'll also mention the rules at the end as well. So without further ado, let's get started. FedEx packages really excite me because you know it's from Yesstyle. Like, I haven't gotten FedEx packages in so long. The first thing I got is a skincare product. It is Aha Baha Peeling Mist. And I've heard good things about this product, so I decided to give it a try. So what you do is you spray this on yourself and then you just let it sit, just kind of like rub it around so that your skin can soak it in, and then you gently just rinse it off. And recently in K-beauty and K-skincare world, Aha Baha became a really popular product because it's really good for sensitive skin, especially if you have acne. So I decided to give this a try because I am still struggling with acne. That's why in a lot of the videos I don't like to wear makeup. I just don't wear makeup in general for the sake of my skin. The next thing I got is a pleated skirt, and it's in color like khaki or beige. I'll have it linked down below. But this is like not the material I was expecting. I was expecting a very thin, typical tennis skirt material, but this is really thick. So I guess it's perfect for winter. And of course we have shorts underneath, which is a bonus. It's a must-have. This next item, they sent me the wrong color. They sent me this color. It's just a plain long sleeve shirt. And I got it in white because I just wear white all the time. I don't know why this color came. So this is gonna go. And this is also from men's, but it seems like it runs extremely small. The next item is kind of questionable, but it is a black vest and it has this like D-ring hook right here. It's really hard to show you guys on the camera, but basically what we're supposed to wear under is a white button-up, like a really oversized ones, and just kind of wear this vest over it. It's almost like a sweater knit vest, right? But the quality is so bad. It's so thin. I thought it came with a blouse, but it doesn't. And I spent $23 on this piece of fabric. I don't understand myself sometimes. One bad thing about Yesstyle is that you really have to read the description. It's totally my fault. But yeah, hopefully at least this is cute. I'll do a try on. This next item I got is a brown knitted dress, and it's more like a bodycon than A style. And then also I realized that it's a little bit like sheer, but I think it would be okay with a cardigan or even a denim jacket or a leather jacket. It's gonna look really cute with my cowboy boots, I hope. This item is a black cropped blouse with a puffy shoulder. I love puffy shoulder anything just because I'm skinny, so anything that creates like a bigger effect looks really flattering on. And I am in love with the neckline. I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically I have something like this from Zara. I don't know why I ordered another one like this, honestly. One good thing about this is that there's a zipper on the side, so you always have like a room to actually put your head through, because Zara one doesn't, and it's really uncomfortable. So that's a plus, and I can see myself wearing this with the skirt that I got earlier. This next item is a really cute black plaid knit crop top, and it's really cute. I didn't realize that it had heart buttons. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I've been eyeing this for a while for some reason, and it was only $9, so I don't know why I hesitated. I'm so glad I got this. This is gonna look really cute with just plain, typical jeans and sneakers. This next item I got is, I don't know if you guys recognize this top actually. Many Yesstyle videos ago, I actually ordered this back when I was living in my dorm. I bought this and then I lost this blouse. So I was pretty sad about it, so I ordered it again. It literally goes with anything. It's not the best material slash quality out there, but it does its job. Like, it looks really pretty from pictures. It looks formal in a way. If you wear it for like business formal, business casual, that also works. Yeah, it goes with a lot of things, so I just bought it. This is one size, I believe, and it was like 10 bucks. Alright, so moving on to the giveaway, here are the rules. Number 1, comment down below what you like about fall. Number 2 is to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and then you follow my Instagram, because I'll be going through my Instagram and my channel subscriptions to see if you actually did it or not. And that is it. I'll be announcing the winner in my next video, so look out for that, and it could be in any part of the video, so don't miss out. here are the things that I'll be giving away. It is filled with a bunch of goodies, so let's get into it. The first thing I'll be giving away is this tote bag from Tyne. It says Life is Art, and it's just a very eco-friendly bag and you can just use it for anything. Then next up, I'm giving away this little cat purse crossbody, and it's so soft, and this is from Miniso. Then I'm giving away this knit top from Honeybee Boutique. This is brand new from their boutique, and it is one size, super stretchy, super comfortable, and perfect for fall. Then I'm giving away this little, like, I don't know, expandable, very stretchy keychain. It's from a small Instagram, small business, and I bought it and I thought it would be perfect for you guys. Along with that keychain, I thought it would be cool to give you guys a mask keychain so you guys can keep your mask and never forget. It would be cool if you guys just hook it like this and just carry it around, and this fits in your wrist perfectly. Then I got you guys this weekly planner type of sticky notepad. Then I got you guys this amber color hair clip. It's super cool. I think it's like big enough for you guys. If you have like thick hair, I think it can still hold it really well. This is from Yesstyle. Then from Yesstyle, I got several jewelries for you guys. First one being this necklace. It is a layered pearl necklace. It's super dainty, it is gold, and it's adjustable so you guys can wear it however you guys like. Then the second item is a dainty beaded bracelet set, and it's just blue and pink. Like this, and this is just kind of more like a summer vibe, I guess, but it is like kind of like bohemian type as well. And these are so cute with like watch and stuff. I don't know, I really liked it, so I picked it out for you guys. The last jewelry from Yesstyle is this bangle. It is silver, it has heart sparkles on this side and then normal heart on the other side, and it is adjustable. Then not from Yesstyle, but still a jewelry piece. This is from Holy Magic Jewelry. It is a small business, and this side too. Give you guys this bracelet. It is gold, it is super dainty, super minimalistic, and it's adjustable, and it's so cute. Will be coming in this small cute box too. Then next up, I'm giving away this blue light glasses from Tyne Glasses. This is a retro collection, and it also comes with the glasses wipe. It's super cool. Look at this pattern. I love it. It also comes with this box, which you guys can keep if you guys want. The box is scratched up. I don't know why it came this way, but it is new. It says thank you, and it says reliable screen glasses. I forgot to mention, but I'm also giving away these really cute pins, hair pins from Yesstyle. They just look like this. They're super blingy, and they're so cute, and they're in set of 4. Woo! And lastly, I got you guys this mini purse, and it's so cute. It's a green crocodile pattern with the strap and then this keychain detail. Then we also have a zipper, and it fits quite a lot because the bottom does expand. So yeah. Alright guys, that was it for my video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!